As the cold and flu season rolls around, I want to share a time-tested remedy that my family and I swear by: onions and honey. This dynamic duo has been our go-to for years, offering a natural, soothing solution to those pesky seasonal bugs. Let me take you on a journey through their health benefits, studies, research, and how you can use them effectively to boost your immunity and feel your best. Let's start with onions. This humble vegetable is not just a cooking staple, it's a powerhouse of health benefits. Onions contain quercetin, a potent antioxidant that supports the immune system and helps reduce inflammation. The sulfur compounds in onions help clear nasal passages, making it easier to breathe when you're feeling stuffed up. Onions have natural antibacterial effects, which can help fight off cold-causing germs. Soothe the throat and ease persistent coughs thanks to their natural expectorant properties. Now, let's talk about honey. Honey coats the throat, providing instant relief from irritation. Honey is a natural cough suppressant. Studies show that it can be just as effective as over-the-counter cough medicines. Packed with antioxidants and enzymes, honey helps strengthen your body's defenses. Raw honey can fight off harmful bacteria and viruses, making it a perfect ally during cold and flu season. Here's how you can combine these two ingredients to create a powerful natural remedy. Onion honey syrup. Slice one large onion into thin rings and place them in a jar. Drizzle raw honey over the onion slices until they're fully covered. Let the mixture sit for 6 to 12 hours, or overnight. The onion will release its juices, combining with the honey to create a syrup. Take a teaspoon of this syrup 2 to 3 times a day to soothe coughs and boost immunity. Onion honey tea. Boil water and add a few slices of onion. Simmer for 5 to 10 minutes, then strain. Sweeten the tea with a spoonful of honey and enjoy warm. This is excellent for clearing congestion and soothing a sore throat. Preventive tonic. Mix equal parts onion juice and honey. Take a tablespoon daily during cold and flu season to keep your immune system strong. Make sure to watch this video all the way through. And remember to subscribe to support the growth of our community. What makes onions and honey so special is that they're simple, natural, and incredibly effective. There's something comforting about turning to nature to care for our health. Plus, this remedy is safe for most people, including kids, over the age of 1. Remember, honey isn't safe for infants. A 2012 study in pediatrics compared honey to dextromethorphan, a common cough suppressant, and found that honey was more effective in reducing nighttime coughs and improving sleep quality in children. Honey, often referred to as nature's liquid gold, has been the focus of numerous scientific studies, thanks to its impressive therapeutic properties. Research published in the Journal of Microbiology highlights honey's ability to inhibit the growth of bacteria, including antibiotic-resistant strains like MRSA. This is due to its high sugar content, low pH, and the presence of hydrogen peroxide. Studies in the Iranian Journal of Basic Medical Sciences suggest that honey's antioxidant content help boost the immune system, making it a valuable ally during infections. Studies revealed that onions are high in quercetin, a flavonoid with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Research published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that quercetin helps combat free radicals, reduce inflammation, and may even improve immune function. A 2016 study in the Journal of Medicinal Food demonstrated that onion extracts exhibit antibacterial properties, effective against certain pathogens like Escherichia coli and Staphylococcus aureus. This makes onions a natural tool in fighting bacterial infections. According to a review in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology, the sulfur compounds in onions can help loosen mucus and reduce airway inflammation, offering relief from cold and flu symptoms. The combination of onions and honey has been explored for their synergistic effects. A 2020 study in the Asian Pacific Journal of Tropical Biomedicine suggested that combining onion juice and honey enhances their antimicrobial properties. Together, they can target a broader spectrum of bacteria and soothe inflammation. Their shared antioxidant and immune-boosting benefits make them an excellent natural remedy during cold and flu seasons. While onions and honey are generally safe, they're not a cure at all. If symptoms persist or worsen, always consult with a healthcare professional. And remember, everyone's body is different. Find what works best for you and your family. Some individuals may be allergic to onions or honey. Symptoms include itching, swelling, or difficulty breathing. If you experience these, discontinue use immediately and seek medical advice. Honey should never be given to children under 1 year old due to the risk of botulism, a rare but serious illness caused by bacteria. Onions can cause digestive discomfort in some individuals, especially those with irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Moderation is key. Honey is natural but still contains sugars. People with diabetes should use it sparingly and consult their healthcare provider. Onions and honey are more than kitchen staples, they're scientifically backed remedies with impressive health benefits. Whether it's the antimicrobial punch of onions or the soothing properties of honey, these ingredients demonstrate the power of nature in supporting our health. Let's celebrate the wisdom of combining tradition with science the next time you feel a cold coming on. So there you have it, PureHealth family. Onions and honey, nature's answer to cold and flu season. Give it a try and let me know how it works for you in the comments below. Stay healthy and take care.